Hey guys, I was taking my kids to the bowling alley, ran across this random neighborhood. I'm assuming these are all build to rent because none of them have been, got their CO issued. They're all pretty much at the same level. And you'd think if they were building to sell, you'd just be getting it finished and sold. But it looks like they're waiting to rent all these out. And don't know who the builder is, but man, I really love the layout. Real quick on the exterior, love how they're going high end with the Hardy board outside, premium finishes. The roof line they're mixing up as well, so it looks a little staggered. Really like the finishes. Let's go inside and check it out. Looks like they're going with metal up above, so when you're hanging out underneath the porches, you're hearing the rain. That'll be nice. All right. What's really important in these small areas, build to rent, is just a high ceiling. So this area is actually very small, especially to fit, couches and a kitchen table and stuff. But it feels very open because of the high ceilings. They use can lights, probably save a lot on lighting using that. Up top here, they've got some extra natural light going above the door, so that helps as well. Now this garage has a special feature. As you know, I'm not a fan of garages at all because of the extra cost, and you don't really get an extra rent. But this is a premium product. They've got a single car garage. I really like this extra space they have on the side for bicycles, lawnmower, whatever your tools, whatever you need for your hobbies. Over here on the side, you got plenty of extra room. They were probably required to do that because of the water heater right here on the ground level. There'll probably be a safety peg right there to protect it. But I really like the garage setup if you need to do one. Granite countertops, high quality cabinets, laundry room right here. I really like this master a lot because you back up to woods with this one especially. Again, you've got really nice ceilings. This one is probably one of the nicest master baths for a build to rent I've seen because you've got both the shower and a bathtub. So they'll do a custom glass fit for this shower. Again, I know it's small, but people really like having it versus not having it. Bathtub, throwing in some tile here. They're just doing a great job. And you can see the light fixtures. People really value that stuff with the granite countertops. All right, let's check it out up top. The one thing I probably don't understand is they went LVT on the flooring, but here on the stairs they went natural wood that doesn't match right now, but I don't really understand that choice. Okay, so we've already done the master bedroom. This is one of the other bedrooms. This would definitely be an office. I would use it. Does it? Has a very small pocket closet on the side there. You got your mechanical room right here. Another bedroom, small bathroom right here. 2 sinks though, very nice. And another bedroom. Now, again, this is what I love. These are small bedrooms, but people value having it versus not having it, right? Because you don't hang out in your bedroom. So this could be an office. So this is actually a 4-bedroom plan, but people would much rather have an extra bedroom for an office or hangout room or playroom than not having it. If you have any questions about this layout or things you like, don't like, hit me up in the comments. Hit like and subscribe.